This is chapter 13, the Earth's atmosphere. In the first section, we will describe the history of our atmosphere. Scientists think that the Earth was formed about 4.6 billion years ago. They think that it was a molten ball of rock and minerals. There are several theories about the Earth's early atmosphere, although there's a little direct evidence to draw on from billions of years ago. So we can't be sure 100% which theory is the correct theory. However, scientists have reconstructed what they think the atmosphere must have been like, and this theory is based on evidence from gas bubbles which are trapped in ancient rocks. So scientists have found ancient rocks, and inside these ancient rocks there are some gas bubbles. So they analyzed the composition of these gas bubbles. In addition to that, they also used data which is gathered from the atmospheres of other planets and their moons in the solar system. So the data available is based on gas bubbles trapped in ancient rocks and the atmospheres of other planets and their moons in the solar system. One theory suggests that volcanoes released carbon dioxide gas, CO2 gas, water vapor, H2O, and nitrogen gas, N2 gas. And these gases formed the early atmosphere. So the early atmosphere contained carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen gas. Actually, the water vapor H2O vapor condensed, so its temperature decreased until it became a liquid as the Earth gradually cooled down and fell as rain. So this water vapor changed to liquid water and it fell as rain. Then liquid water collected in hollows in the crust as the rock solidified and the first oceans were formed. So this is how the first ocean formed. Water condensed and fell as rain, then water collected in hollows in the crust as the rock solidified. Another theory suggests that comets could also have brought water to the Earth. These icy comets rained down on the surface of the Earth, then they melted, adding to Earth's water supplies. Then, as the Earth began to stabilize, the atmosphere was probably mainly carbon dioxide, CO2 gas. There could also have been some water vapor, H2O, and nitrogen gas, N2, and actually some traces of methane gas, CH4, and ammonia, NH3. Back then, there would have been very little or no oxygen at that time. This composition, where we have mainly carbon dioxide, some water vapor and nitrogen, and the traces of methane and ammonia, is similar to the atmospheres that are known to exist today on the planets Mars and Venus. So our nearest neighbors have atmospheres which are made up mainly of carbon dioxide with little or even no oxygen at all. So this is the early atmosphere.